Hi everyone, my name's John, and I just received this thread repair kit. It's metric. Complete thread repair kit includes drill bit, tap, installation driver, and 10 solid steel M6 by 1.0 inserts. So check it out. It's a really nice little case. Look at this. Here's all your inserts. Here's your drill, your tap right here. And then you've got all your inserts right here. Check these out. You've got 10 of these. And they all come in this little case. There's also a direction booklet right here on how to do it. It shows everything you need to do it. It shows what's included. Designed to permanently repair stripped or damaged threads in cast aluminum engine components and other automotive applications. One-piece stainless steel inserts create stronger, longer-lasting threads than traditional helicoil style repairs with excellent wear and corrosion resistance. Simple installation process: drill, tap, install, insert. A flange design provides a secure, durable fit. Everything fits right here into this nice carrying case, so you're never going to lose anything. Keep it all together. Best results: keep the drill perfectly vertical to prevent misalignment, hole damage, and improper insert installation. Restores damaged threads to a strong, reliable condition that withstands repeated abuse. All in one case, just like that.